What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas. Today, I'm going to bring you something special, something I really enjoy, and that is going to be beer stocks. Not only do I enjoy stocks, but I also like drinking beer, and I'm going to tell you why these are important. And actually, some of them have been doing pretty well. So stay tuned right after this. Man, oh man, you would not believe we have a drive-through liquor store right down from our house, and that thing is constantly packed. Not only is that super innovative and creative, but that's still providing a service to people who are wanting to drink alcohol. And when I saw that, I was like, man, I really think I should break down some beer stocks. So I'm going to bring that to you. I personally think that every single one of these stocks that I'm going to mention is considered a buy now opportunity. And one of them you're going to see is really expensive, but even then, it's still considered a buy now opportunity. The reason is we have to understand how much this pandemic has really impacted the beer stocks. Yes, people are still able to go to the liquor stores and they're able to still get their 30 racks, their 12 packs, whatever they get, their bottles. The thing is that when you go to bars, you're going to drink beer and hang out with your friends. You're going to get the beer poured from the taps. You're going to get them from the bottles. You may even drink them from the cans. You're going to also be going to sporting events. And you're going to crack some cold ones with your friends at sporting games. Those aren't happening either. So all the avenues outside of just drinking at your home are temporarily closed. Yes, we're slowly opening up. Yes, we're slowly getting there. But that's what caused these beer stocks to really just fall off. And as you're going to see when I break down these charts, a lot of them are close to their 52-week lows, or they're halfway. Kick this party off right with one of the domestic beers. See what I did there? Kick the party off. The first beer I'm going to be talking about with a company is going to be Anheuser-Busch. And the beer that I would love to talk about and drink all the time is Busch Light. So we're going to break this bad boy down. I'm going to talk about the company of Anheuser-Busch. Doesn't matter which company I talk about. I mean, especially in the last 36 videos, every single one of them has been impacted by the coronavirus in some way. And Anheuser-Busch is no different. So, one of the things that they've done to kind of come out of that is they were upgraded recently to neutral, which is a good thing as from a stock standpoint. Also, during this time, they were able to sell their Australian company for $11 billion. So they're making some headway by gaining some cash, and which will allow them to pay off some debt. Alright, now we're coming to my favorite point in the video, and that is going to be chart breaking down time. So swing on over here and let's break into this bad boy. Alright, so we're looking at Anheuser-Busch, and we're looking at their 1 month chart. And so it opened at $52.58 today. And it's currently as high as $53.30. The big thing to look at is 52-week high is $102.70, and its 52-week low is $32.58. As you can see, as of late, with things starting to open up again, and also the good news of Anheuser-Busch selling their Australian business, I do think that this is going to help this stock start to climb. We are still at the halfway point when it comes to getting to that 52-week high, so I think it is still a buy now opportunity, and I still think we should get in. Beer stock I'm going to be talking about is going to be another one of my favorites. It's a domestic beer, and that is going to be Molson Coors Beverage Company. Let me tell you, who doesn't like cracking a cold Coors Light, or as I used to call it in my college days, Colorado Kool-Aid. But after really diving into these beer stocks, it's actually been really beneficial for me because now I understand which companies own which beers. And let me tell you, Molson Coors owns so many of my favorites. It's just too many to list. Coors has really been impacted by the coronavirus. I mean, seriously, think about this. If you want to go to the bar, hang out with your friends, drink a Coors Light, maybe some of you drink Milwaukee's Best, or maybe someone drinks Miller Lite. There's so many things that Molson Coors has that's just been impacted by the coronavirus. You are limited on where you can get your alcohol from, specifically beer. you just can't go hang out anymore. Now that we're starting to open up, I do think this company will start to rebound. But as of late, Goldman Sachs on May 1st put this stock and reduced it down to a sell. That didn't help out this stock price at all. That being said, this now creates a buying opportunity for us trying to get in on Molson Coors. So my favorite point of the day is going to be chart breaking down time. So swing on over here and let's tap into this bad boy. All right, so as we're looking at this 1 month chart, today's open was $40 and it got as high as of right now $41.05. The biggest thing to really understand is its 52-week high, which is $61.94, and its 52-week low is $34.01. We're roughly still in the middle, and that's another reason why I think this is a buy now opportunity, because as you can see on that 1 month chart, for the month of May, from May 4th to about May 11th, it stayed pretty consistent between the $38 and $48 range. And then right as May 11th hit, it just tanked and down she went. But as you can see, we've had a consistent climb and fall up to this point to where we're at today. I do really think that these beer companies that I'm listing are going to be great opportunities to get into, because like I stated previously, they're going to be close to their 52-week lows, or they're going to be right in the middle, and these companies are going to come back. People are not going to just all of a sudden stop drinking beer. That old, farmer that is constantly cracking cold ones after he gets done mowing grass, 2.5, 3 acres, and he's not just gonna quit drinking his favorite beer because, whatever reason. The final beer stock that I saved for last, specifically because it's a craft beer. Let me straighten up my tie here. No, in all seriousness, the Boston Beer Company, I knew obviously their headliner is going to be Sam Adams, and that's, their go-to. But I didn't realize that they also, I'm going to look over here just to give you those exact things that they have, but I didn't know that they had Angry Orchard. I didn't know that they owned Twisted Tea, and I most definitely did not know that they owned Truly. When I found that out, I was kind of blown away, but then it also helped me understand why their stock price is where it's at and just what they've been able to do. This stock price is taken off like the SpaceX rocket that just went up to the, space station. This is crazy. This company has figured out how to get their stock price to just climb and climb and climb. They've done so well. In a 12-month span, as of June 1st, in a 12-month span, this company is up 79%. And they're just continuously going up. You're constantly acquiring other companies, or you're acquiring other, alcoholic beverages, and you're providing those under your name. But then you're also expanding your gross margins constantly. I mean, you got to expect that this stock is going to skyrocket. It's just inevitable. Now it's time to break down the final chart of the day. So let's kick it on over here and pour us one. So as we're looking at this, Sam, which is ironic because it's Sam Adams or the Boston Beer Company. So 1 month chart. It opened on Wednesday at $573. That's right, $573. And as we can see, its 52-week high is $587.85, and its 52-week low is $290.02. I mean, we're talking big numbers and not a lot of volume moving in and out. And I think a lot of that has to do with the price. As we can see on the 1 month chart, May 4th, it was down around, the mid 400s. And since then, it has continuously climbed all the way up to its 52-week high of $587.85. Since then, it's come down a little bit. But the thing is this company, like I stated previously, 79% 12 months since June 1st. That's crazy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I sure did. This was a fun video for me. I really do enjoy drinking beer, and it really was pretty cool to find out, what beers fall under these companies and what alcoholic beverages they own as well. and it just was very interesting, and I really enjoyed it. And I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. You guys know the routine. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my channel. And as always, have a good day.